To attach the embroidery hoop to the machine, turn the attaching knob until it is parallel with the hoop. Then set it on the carriage by fitting the pins into the carriage holes. Turn the attaching knob clockwise. Always check that there is sufficient clearance for the embroidery carriage behind your machine before starting the machine. Chapter 4. Embroidery Sewing. Embroidery Mode. There are 5 categories in the embroidery mode: built-in designs, monogramming, ATA PC card, USB memory, and editing. Built-in designs. Your memory craft provides you with 100 ready-to-sew built-in designs. To view the next page, press the Next Page key. Press the Pattern Selection key to select the pattern you wish to sew. Let's select design number 10. The stitch image of the design will be displayed on the screen, along with the sewing time in minutes, the number of thread colors required, the size of the design, and hoop size. On the lower part of the screen, there are 4 jog keys. Use the jog keys to precisely adjust the hoop position, matching the needle drop position with the center of the design. Pressing the tracing key causes the hoop to move and trace the outline of the selected design so that you can check the sewing position without stitching. Now you are ready to sew the embroidery pattern. Lower the presser foot and press the Start-Stop button. After sewing several stitches, stop the machine. Trim the thread and press the Start-Stop button again. The machine will sew the first color selection and stop automatically when it is finished. Press the Auto Thread Cutter button to trim the threads. If you activated the Auto Thread Cutting command, the machine will trim the threads automatically. Change the thread to the next color and start the machine again. The stitch count and stitch back and forward keys are very useful when the thread runs out or breaks during sewing. You can move the hoop to where the thread has broken or run out. Every time you press the stitch back or stitch forward key, the hoop moves 10 stitches in that direction. Monogram Sewing. In the Monogram selection window, you can program words by pressing the alphabet keys directly. Select from 3 fonts and 2-letter and 3-letter monograms, European accented letters, upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and other characters. Delete a character by moving the cursor under it and pressing the Delete key. The cursor can be moved to the left and right with the cursor keys. Add letters by moving the cursor key to the desired position and pressing the letter. Letter Size key. Select from large, medium, and small letters. Use the horizontal-vertical function to choose a horizontal or vertical orientation. It will allow you to fit in more characters when using the B hoop. Save your monogram by pressing the File Save key. The file will be named automatically starting from M001, or you can name the file yourself by pressing the File Name key. For example, let's call the file Janome. To save the file, press the OK key. Magnifier key. Pressing the magnifier key enlarges the letter number keys to make entry easier. Press the return key to go back to the previous screen. OK key. After creating your monogram, press this key to confirm your selections. The display will change to the embroidery screen. ATA PC cards. Optional item. The MemoryCraft 350E is compatible with ATA PC cards. which can be used to save original designs created in the editing mode and also to transfer design data between the Memory Craft 350E and your PC. The ATA PC card consists of an adapter and compact flash. PC design cards. Optional item. In addition to the built-in embroidery designs, there are hundreds of attractive designs available from the optional PC design card library. Please check our website at www.janome.com for the latest PC design card releases. To open the designed files, insert the card into the slot of the Memory Craft 350E. Press the PC card tab in the embroidery mode to display the designs contained in the card. Press the desired pattern. USB memory. Optional item. The Memory Craft 350E is compatible with USB memory, which can be used to save the designs and to transfer designs between your machine and PC. Open a small door under the card ejector button. Insert a USB memory into the USB port. Press the USB memory tab and select the desired folder to display the designs in the USB memory. The editing mode. The editing function allows you to modify and combine embroidery patterns from the built-in memory, ATA cards, or PC design cards to create your own original designs. Press the Edit key to open the editing screen. The hoop selection window opens to allow you to select the hoop, Standard A Round F, Large B, or Free Arm Hoop C. Round Embroidery Hoop F and Free Arm Hoop C are optional accessories. Press the OK key and the editing screen showing the selected hoop will open. Press the Cancel key to return to the editing screen without changing the selection of the hoop. Choose pattern number 10. To move the embroidery pattern on the editing screen, press Hold and drag the pattern to a desired location with your fingertip, or move it on the screen with the layout keys. Do not drag the pattern on the screen with a sharp or pointed object. When the Cancel key is pressed, all of the changes made on the screen will be cancelled. When the Size key is pressed, the size adjusting window will appear. The size of the embroidery patterns can be changed from 90% to 120% in 1% intervals each time the plus or minus key is pressed. Press the OK key after resizing. You can flip the embroidery design vertically or horizontally to create mirror image designs by pressing the mirror image keys. The embroidery design can be rotated by 45 degrees clockwise each time the rotation key is pressed. When the Delete key is pressed, the selected pattern will be deleted. Press the magnifier key to enlarge the image of the selected pattern. Press the Return key to go back to the previous screen. You can save your original embroidery designs in the built-in memory or in an ATA PC card inserted in the machine's card slot, or in a USB memory. Chapter 5. Embroidery Sewing. Creating an original design. Now let's try to make an original design using the editing functions. Press the Edit key to select the editing mode. Select the B hoop. Press the built-in design key, then press the Next Page key and select pattern number 72. Drag it to the upper left corner. Press the built-in design key, then select pattern number 72 again. Press the horizontal flip key, then press the rotate key twice to rotate the design 90 degrees. Next, drag the pattern to the lower right corner. Press the Monogram key and select the script font. Press the letter size key to select large size letters. enter M in uppercase and EMORY in lowercase letters. Then press OK. Press the monogram key again and enter C in uppercase and RAFT in lowercase letters. Then press OK. With the Layout key, adjust the position of the words. Press the Save File key if you wish to save the combined design for future use in the built-in memory, an ATA PC card, or USB memory. It will be saved as a single pattern file. If you wish to sew the file, press the OK key. Chapter 6. Care and Maintenance. Before carrying out any maintenance or cleaning, be sure to turn off the machine and disconnect it from the power supply. It is a good idea to change a needle after approximately 8 hours of sewing, or when starting a new project. For embroidery sewing, Janome provides two kinds of embroidery needles: blue tip needles and red tip needles. Blue tip needles, size 11, included in the accessories, are suitable for a wide range of embroidery sewing. When embroidering and sewing heavy material, such as denim, red tip needles are recommended as they can penetrate the fabric easily and prevent thread breakage. To change the needle, loosen the needle clamp screw and remove the needle. Insert a new needle with the flat side facing back. Push the needle up against the stopper and tighten the needle clamp screw securely with a screwdriver. Cleaning the machine. It is recommended that the hook area be cleaned at least once a month. Slide the hook cover plate release button to the right and remove the hook cover plate. Take the bobbin out from the bobbin holder. Remove the screws on the needle plate with a screwdriver. Remove the needle plate and take out the bobbin holder. Clean the hook race and the auto thread cutter mechanism with a lint brush. Wipe the bobbin holder and inside of the hook race with a soft, dry cloth. Replace the bobbin holder in the hook race, making sure the knob fits next to the stopper of the hook race. Attach the needle plate and secure it with the screws. Insert the bobbin and attach the hook cover plate. Never use benzol or other chemical solvents for cleaning the outside of the machine. Wipe the machine using a soft cloth soaked in warm water and neutral detergent. When carrying or storing the MemoryCraft 350E, ensure that the embroidery carriage arm is fully retracted to avoid damage from impact during transportation. Turn on the machine or press the return carriage key to retract the arm to its storage position. Then proceed to turn off the machine. Store your machine in a cool and dry place. Enjoy your MemoryCraft 350E.